Are you feeling hungry? Are you on a budget? Do you want a bowl of ramen? Then I'm gonna show you how to make a bowl of ramen with paper. And disclaimer, this video is a clickbait, so enjoy! So I think I'm gonna go with that tonkotsu ramen, and according to the recipe I need pig feet, some pork leg bones, pig leg bones, I don't know, and get that chicken bone, make the broth super tasty, and gotta add a little bit of ginger to spice things up. And I don't know why they use onions, but I guess follow the recipe. Gotta get myself some fresh white onions, and you better not forget the garlic. The garlic is the key to everything. And I need a bowl, I need a pot, to put all these inside, make the tasty broth. But then again, why am I wasting my time drawing all of these when I can just toss it out and draw myself the complete bowl of ramen, honestly. Alright, so I think I'm gonna add myself half an egg, a few slices of pork, and yeah, make that medium rare egg, some nice grilled pork, crusty on the edges, add a little bit of spice, and then I think these are bamboo shoots according to the Google image, so give that extra crunch to the bowl of ramen. And yeah, alright, so I'm gonna add some of that scallion too. I don't know, I used to hate scallion, but it's pretty good now. And I like spicy stuff, so I'm gonna give myself some spicy broth. Yeah, looks pretty tasty already. And I'm gonna end it off with like a nice baked clay bowl just for the aesthetics. Complete the set, and wapa! Well, as you can see, one cannot eat a piece of paper, so you gotta make yourself legit noodles. Yeah, and if you want to know how to make it, go YouTube it or Google it. So yeah. Cool, okay, go,